So today I want to show you how to use the Upside app to be able to cash out. So you can see we're here live in real time on the app. And you can see on the top right hand side, you can actually see that $80.66. So that's the money we have available to be able to cash out at this exact time. So what we can actually do is click the person icon on the right side of that dollar amount. And it's going to bring up a couple options, and you can see the option that says cash out. Now, here's the really cool thing about cashing out with this Upside app. You can actually transfer to your bank, and then there's a whole bunch of different gift cards if you wanted to go ahead and utilize those. You can, see these as I'm scrolling through. And at the very bottom here, there is also a PayPal option. So you can actually cash out on the Upside app through PayPal, all of these different type of gift cards, or directly back into your bank account. So if you choose your bank account as this example, you can see here we had to link up a new account, which is totally fine. You can click on there. There's a little checkbox down here at the bottom, and we can click on continue. Now, once this loads up, it is going to go through the Plaid service. Now, Plaid is going to allow you to be able to connect the bank right away, so that way you can have your money going through. If PayPal's a little easier for you in this process, by all means, you can close this off and go back to that. Or if you want to go ahead and continue with Plaid, just hit continue. And here it's going to show you all the different banks that are available for you. You can also search the institutions at the top up there. We're going to go ahead and use Capital One, and here it's going to tell you a little bit about it. We're going to hit continue for our example, and here it actually took us to a web browser, so it took us out of the Upside app, and then we're going to plug in our username and our password to actually be able to go ahead and log into our bank account. Now, once it loads into your bank account, you can see right over here it says Upside would like to access your account information. This is obviously being transparent here, what they're going to be able to provide, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll down here, and towards the bottom area you can see all the different options for the banks on file. Check the one that you want to utilize, and then once you do that, it's going to ask you to give permission for the account holder information and the account and routing number. Once that's good, you're going to slide to the bottom and hit continue. Now you can see right over here it says continue to Upside to finish your account linking. So we're going to actually go ahead and click right back onto the app, and you can see here it's saying that it's almost done. And just like that, we have successfully connected our account. So we're going to click on continue. Now the nice thing is, once you get this all done, this is the only time you have to do it. And then after that, anytime you want to cash out back into your bank account, you're just going to go ahead and click it and do the transfer automatically. You won't have to go through this whole process. So we're going to fill out first and last name. And from right over here, it is going to need us to verify our email address. So the email we have on file, we're going to go ahead and go to the email and get that verification completed. All right, and now our bank account is officially connected onto our Upside app. And you can see right over here, currently it actually has all of the money in our account automatically ready for us to transfer out, but you can go ahead and change the amount if you for some reason don't want to send the whole thing. So from this part right over here, we're going to click out the cash out button, and you're going to see here it's actually going to give you a quick summary on how much you're cashing out, where it's going to, and you can see it says anywhere from 2 to 4 business days it will be deposited into your account. So you can click on cash out, and just like that, we cashed out on our Upside app. Now if you want to keep on learning ways to save money online, check out my next video right over here.